Super, super, super. Okay. Twarita, what about you, Twarita? Zaman, we are waiting for you to get settled, dear. So next would be Zaman. I hope she can hear me. Zaman, next it would be you. So get ready before your classes. So hold on, it's Twarita now. Okay, Twarita, go ahead and introduce.
I'm Hello, I'm Twarita. I'm in Standard 4. I'm from Pune and I like reading and drawing.
Okay, that's really fine. Okay, superb. Arnav, moving on to Arnav.
Hello,
Arnav.
my name is Arnav and I am from Mumbai and my hobby is to do coding.
Oh wow, so many coding. Okay, Zaman, it's your turn now. Are you ready, Zaman?
Ma'am, my name is not Zaman.
Okay. Then can
My
you?
name is not Zaman.
Okay, what's your name then?
Manha.
Manha. Okay, so Manha, please share about yourself. See, I still don't know anything about yourself. So can you please share about yourself? Manha, we're waiting for
My
you.
name is Manha.
Okay. Yeah, what are your interests? Where are you from?
I study in class 4.
Okay.
I'm from Kashmir.
Good. Okay.
I'm from Kashmir.
Super. Okay. Then, what are your interests, your hobbies? When you're finding any free time, what do you do during that time?
Mom, just one second, I have to close the gate. The voice can come from there.
Arish, can you settle down in one place, Arish? Yeah, that's a request.
Now I am settled.
Yeah.
I'm not settled.
Yeah, because that's going to distract all the others when once you start moving around. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Mana. Sorry. Yeah. So, what's your interest, Mana? Painting,
Drawing.
drawing. Okay. Coloring, something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jaslyn. What about you, Jaslyn, dear? Jaslyn, are you there? Okay, I think. Jaslyn, are you able to hear us? I think Jaslyn has to figure out her. Jaslyn, are you able to hear? Okay, what about your mic? I'm unable to hear you, dear. You're on.
Mom, I think she had. Let me give her a suggestion. Can
Yeah,
you hear me?
yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, Jacqueline, you can either do when you can just see the mute stop video these options.
But
Then when you will go and mute, there is a up arrow. You just click on that.
Arish,
You'll
we
find.
can able to hear her. Arish, one second. Hold on. We are able to hear her. Let her go. It's a turn now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Jaslyn. Unmute. Jaslyn, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, she's unmute. Oh, is her audio connected? Ma'am, you just try.
Because
Ma'am,
so,
ma'am, that is. Ma'am, her microphone is not working. I was telling a suggestion for making it work. I think so if it works.
so she's still on mute. Okay. Ask her to unmute. Okay. It
Ma'am,
shows.
she is unmute.
Arish, hold on. Hold on. Arish, I am
Okay.
here to coordinate. Okay. You hold on. If needed, I will ask your help. Okay, Arish? Are you clear with that? Yeah. If needed, I will ask your help. Yeah, Jaslyn, dear. You speak. I cannot hear you. Can you just check your microphone, Jaslyn? Can you wear any of your headphones or any earphones if you have one at home? I'll come back to you. Okay? But you're able to hear me, isn't it? Okay, that's super. I can make out. Okay? You just type something on the chat about your name, which place are you from, and your hobbies as such. Fine? Yeah. Let's wait for Jaslyn to type. Meanwhile, she can also check her to share her views. Parita, listen
She's
to
telling it's English.
okay? All of you, your concentration.
Ask her no in my mother's timetable it is project. Ask no. Why are you calling me for everything?
Ma'am, somebody's voice is coming.
Swarita, Arnav, Manha, Spandan, Arish, and Jaslyn. Some of the
Maybe first week you missed English, that's why they have kept it today, and the next week they give project. I don't know, maybe that change they would have done.
there
They
in
have
and
five weeks.
around you to speak very low. Okay? Because we are in a class, we are going to be in a very silent place, only teacher and the student there. So if there are any elders around you, you're going to tell them, please mute yourselves. Tell them that quickly. Whoever is there around you, please stay quiet.
Ma'am, now you can hear.
Yeah, Jaslyn. Yes, dear. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am slowly. I watch videos and I like to. I watch cooking videos and
Okay. Okay. So I think it's from Twarita's house.
But can you tell me now?
Twarita, can you tell them to stay quiet? Yeah. Okay. Now, moving on to the next slide. That is seeking the blessings of God. Okay. All of you close your eyes for a minute. All of you join your hands.
Yeah, that is septenarian age.
Yes.
That's mine. That's mine. That's mine.
Close your eyes, Mana. Close your eyes, Jaslyn.
I
Join.
wanted to listen to that and then I was planning to show you my answer. If you are interested, huh?
Open your eyes, children. Okay. We move on to the next slide.
Mama म्हटली ना आता त्याची विश्वामित्र गोत्र हा
I guess from
विश्वामित्र all the time.
I don't know who's speaking.
तिथलं पोपट झालं.
Twarita, I think it's still from your house, Twarita.
तूने क्यों बोला हमारा
Yes,
गोत्र?
ma'am. I also think because when we see, when we hide the thumbnail video, it is showing talking Swarita. Swarita, it was showing.
Twarita, you need to tell your elders, dear, please. Then we'll move on. We need to have a very silent place. You're talking too loud. Thank you, Twarita. You're conveying. I can see that. We'll wait for a second for Twarita to convey, children, okay? Arish, some ground rules. No muting yourselves at any point of time. At any point of time, no muting yourselves. Neither the videos nor your audios.
Ma'am, should I on my video?
Both. Video, audio, both on all the time until your classes are over. Thumbs up there. Video and audio on all the time. Twarita, connection to me. Look into my eyes. Eye contact, okay? We move on to the pledge. Your hands onto your heart. Hands on
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
your right hand onto your heart. Yes? Please repeat after me, even though you know it. You're going to...
Mine.
Okay? Twarita, still we can hear noise, dear.
Whole mat is mine at home.
Okay? So all the other unmute.
Ma'am, can I mute myself?
Yeah, sure, for some time. Yes. Arish, you're again.
Ma'am, can I also mute myself for some time?
No. Spandan, you're fine. We cannot hear any noise around.
Dad, I just need to mute myself for 1 minute.
Okay, we'll finish this pledge, then you can mute yourself. Fine? Is that okay, Spandan?
Yes, okay.
Okay. Right hand on your heart, quickly. Okay, no closing your eyes. Just repeat after me. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians
are my
are my
brothers and sisters.
brother and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
And I
am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
to be, strive to be
strive to be
worthy, worthy
worthy
of it.
of it.
I shall give my
I shall give
Give
my
my
parents,
parents,
teachers,
teachers,
all elders
and all elders
and all elders
respect,
respect
treat everyone
and treat
treat
everyone
everyone with
courtesy.
courtesy.
To my
my
country,
country, to my
My
country
country
and people
my people,
and my
and
people,
my people.
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
in their well-being,
in their well-being,
prosperity,
prosperity,
and prosperity
and prosperity
alone
Ma'am, I
alone.
can't say anywhere after and prosperity alone.
You repeat what I say, okay? Alone
Alone
lies,
This one?
lies,
lives
my,
my happiness.
my happiness.
And my
My
happiness.
happiness.
Very good. Okay, so let's move on to the project, okay? So the project's name is Freedom. We are going to have a project which is called as Freedom. Spandan, you're completely all right. I think you should not be on.
Not for that. Can I just mute myself for 2 minutes?
Reason being? Reason?
I will have to just mute myself for 2 minutes only.
No, can I know the reason if you don't mind?
My laptop's charger is not here, so I just want to get the charger.
Okay, quickly, but not next time, okay? Go. Twarita, unmute your video, Twarita. Twarita, are you there? So what are the ground rules? Arish, the first ground rule is no muting.
No unmuting.
Yes, ma'am. There's
No offing video.
Video and audio.
No unmuting.
Yeah, okay. Then the second thing is all the time you should be having your notebook, a pen or a pencil. Clear with that?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now coming to your project time, that is freedom. Okay. We'll look into what freedom is exactly all about. Recently, we had a wonderful occasion in India, isn't it? In India, we had a wonderful occasion in the month of August. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what was that occasion all about? Arnav, the question is to Arnav. What was the special occasion in the month of August?
Independence Day.
Wow, Arnav got it right. Super. See, once somebody answers, we're going to clap for them. Okay? Yeah, quickly. Super. Yeah. So that was all about Independence Day. So what does Independence Day actually mean to all of us? Jaslyn, what is Independence Day for us?
It's an important day for all Indians.
It's an important day to all of us. Fine. Twarita, if you can say.
Mama, video?
It is the day when India got independence.
Okay. 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 Spandan wants to share something. Arish, sit straight. Huh.
Yes, ma'am. Straight only.
You're on,
You're on mute.
Spandan, you're on mute. That's why I told you don't mute yourselves. Huh. Okay.
That day, India got independence by England.
Okay. From the small correction. From the
British rule.
from the British. Okay. A small correction there. But otherwise, you're really fine. Okay. Now moving on to Arnav. What does independence mean to you, Arnav?
Freedom.
Freedom. Okay. Manha, what does freedom mean to you? Manha? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What does freedom mean to you?
When somebody is not forcing to make you do something.
Oh, okay. So when somebody is not forcing you to do something, that's freedom. Okay. So we'll move on to the next slide. So freedom according to me. You didn't ask, ma'am, what is freedom according to you? Not even one person or one child asked, ma'am, what is freedom according to you? So freedom according to me is to be free of something, to do what we like, isn't it? But at the same time, we should know whether doing that is right or wrong.
Right, moving there and there.
Yes.
Okay. Now moving to the next slide, where we are going to discuss in depth about our project. Yes, all of you are inquisitive to know about your project. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If yes, click on thumbs up. There is more option. Click on thumbs up. Fine. Yes. Now, moving on to next slide, which means freedom of expression. Wow, I can see all the thumbs up there. Freedom of expression. We begin with Mana now. What is freedom of expression, Mana? What is freedom of expression? What is expression basically? Arish, no. Arish, no touching, only listening to teacher. Mana, what
Ma'am, my microphone is just rounded. That's why I'm just trying to hear.
The Mufasa, the King Mufasa.
can you be on mute? I'll ask you when to unmute, okay?
That's echoing.
I'll ask you to unmute, fine? Yeah, Mana, yeah, what is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
What is expression?
I don't know.
Komjili.
Okay, coming to Arnav, what is expression?
Yeah.
Like happiness, smile,
Directions have come.
sad.
Go away.
Emotions, okay. Jaslyn, what is expression? Jaslyn,
Verifying the Hainan.
what is expression? Sarita, can you be on mute? I'll ask you when to unmute.
Because he's the king of the jungle.
Sarita,
And if something happens to the
I will ask
lion,
you when to
the
unmute.
other animals will come and kill all the hyenas.
Yeah, Jaslyn,
And the
what
other
is
lions will come and
expression
kill
according to you?
totally of that hyena.
Okay, we'll discuss about it. Okay, freedom of expression
And
basically.
the kids also will kill the hyena. The
You can
giraffe, the
express yourself.
camel. Everybody will kill
Like
one
Arnav
will kill the
said,
hyena. Will be killed Mufasa.
you can draw wherever
While
you want,
Mufasa is the
whatever you want. You can write whatever you want. You can dance wherever you want. So our India is a democratic country, isn't it? So we can do whatever we want. Is there anybody who stops us? Nobody stops us. Yes or no? Is there anybody comes and they tell you, no, no, you're not supposed to do this on the road?
Trees cannot be harmed.
Is there anybody who's telling you that?
Not yet.
Anybody who tells you that? Don't do that. Don't do that. Is there anybody who tells you that? Okay, just now you have a chocolate. Let's take an example. You feel like eating it, okay, at home. Is there anybody who's saying, no, 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 you are not supposed to eat chocolates at all? Is there?
No, I wouldn't.
And there is a joke going on and you're laughing loudly. Is there anybody coming from your neighborhood and saying, Arey, Baba, why are you laughing so loudly? Is there anybody coming and telling you that? So that is freedom.
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. But usually,
And ma'am, whenever I have a chocolate, the first example, always my mother and father said, don't eat the chocolate, it's unhealthy.
you tell you not to eat
Always.
chocolates. If it is just one, they'll say, okay, okay. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, not even one.
Not
They
even.
don't even let me. Ma'am, do you know they don't even let me take this much of ice cream, this much only.
Okay.
Only this much.
Maybe because of certain healthy issues, isn't it? Okay. Now what?
Actually, not healthy because I have a throat problem also.
Oh, see, now we got you. So some health issues. Okay,
And
Jasmine.
ma'am, the second example right now you said whenever you laugh or whenever you play, It happens with me. One day my friend came. We were playing basketball at home because we were not going outside. It was lockdown only. It was my mother's birthday, so he came for celebrating. Biggers were celebrating, talking them, and he was my friend, so we were playing basketball.
Oh,
The up one in the tower, he just came and started shouting, "Bell, bell!" Then, hey, do you don't understand that I can't sleep? Let me sleep. Don't play. Go outside. And that was so funny.
okay. So can you see a small picture where the child is drawing on the wall and all that? So those are something like freedom of expression. You draw, you fly kites, those, so that's again a freedom of expression. Laughing, smiling, crying, all these are freedom of expressions. Okay. Now coming to your next point, that is freedom of trust. Spandan, what is freedom of trust?
Did you see that scene where he keeps his leg in his father's
What is
leg?
freedom of trust?
He right now keeps his leg. You remember?
Parita, can you be on mute, dear? If you don't mind, we can hear somebody speaking over and over again. Thank you. Okay, Spandan, freedom of trust. What is the meaning of trust?
Trust meaning we can trust someone for anything.
Okay, trust anybody for anything. Okay, is that fine, Arnav? Is that fine? Trust anybody for anything.
No, I have a better thing. Like I have a thing too.
Yeah, tell me, tell me. That's why we are here. Keep sharing, keep sharing.
I think trust means to believe in someone and to give a responsibility to someone.
Very good, Twarita. Okay, Arnav, your views on trust.
Like someone is giving you ice cream, then you remember that your mother said do not eat ice cream from strangers, so you don't trust him.
Okay. So Spandan, you got it. So where to use trust and where not to use trust. So trusting strangers is again, it's again going to be
Danger.
dangerous. Got it, Spandan? So
Yes.
trusting somebody whom you're familiar with and trusting somebody whom you're not familiar with has a difference. Fine. Okay. Now coming to Mana. Mana, what is trust according to you?
When you think somebody can be responsible for your things.
Okay, somebody is responsible for things. Fine. Okay, Jaslyn, what is trust according to you, dear?
Ma'am, if I do something wrong, if anyone does something wrong and someone tells you, when we are just doing something wrong outside the street, and if someone tells you to not to do it, then we have to trust them.
Super, super. So it's like our parents. Our parents tell us. Now, just now, Arish told, their parents are saying, no, no, you're not supposed to have chocolates. So there are some health issues. So we need to trust our parents for that. Isn't it, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Yes, yes. Somebody wanted to share something? Yes, Jaslyn?
ma'am, first we have to trust God, and second we have to trust our parents, and then trust others.
Oh, clarity of thoughts. That's really nice, Jaslyn. Wonderful. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Freedom to believe in yourself. Freedom to believe in yourself. We start with, okay, Jaslyn has raised her hand. Okay, freedom to believe in yourself. Yes, Jaslyn.
Ma'am, now if you have some like you have a competition or something and you're not good at that thing, they just took you like that and you're not able to do it, you should not tell that you are not good at it. You should tell that I'm good, I can do it, and I believe in myself.
Very good, very good. Okay, Spandan, what is freedom to believe in yourself? Super, Jaslyn, super. Yeah. That's why doing all that will distract you, correct? I was watching Spandan what you were doing. So when somebody is talking, rule number 3, listen to when somebody else is talking, we're going to listen to them. Okay, Spandan, yes? Yes, thumbs up, Spandan. Yes, super. Okay, we'll move on to Twarita and come back to Spandan here. Twarita, freedom to believe in yourself.
Like freedom to believe in yourselves means you have to believe in yourself and people are letting you do it and they're telling you to do it moreover. So if we think that we can do it and people are not letting us do it, then we don't have the freedom to believe in ourselves. But if people are appreciating and saying that don't lose hope, try, and then they are giving you the freedom and telling you to believe in yourself, that means you have the freedom to believe.
Very good, very good. So believing yourself is like you also have the freedom to do it, but there will be some people who are demotivating you. That's what you're trying to say, Twarita. But you need to.
Yes.
Okay, we'll move on to the next slide where Andan is going to share about it. Freedom to choose. See, you can see different colors on different fingers. So that's a hint for you. Freedom to choose. Spandan.
Yes.
Yeah. Freedom to choose according to you. Okay, we go to Manna and come back to Spandan again. Okay, Manna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is freedom to choose? Okay, fine. I give you all some time to think. Okay, Arnav, what is...
I know.
Okay, wait, Varita. 1 second. Arnav, what is freedom to choose according to you? You can give any answers. There is no right or wrong answer as such. Any answer. I'm not giving you marks here.
Like we want to choose our favorite color. This is our favorite color. This is our favorite animal.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, super. We can choose any color. If I go to a shopping mall, I want to choose my birthday dress. I can choose any color which I like, isn't it? So that's my choice. Yes or no? So I've given you one example from my end. I go to a shopping mall, it's my birthday. I choose any dress, any color which really suits me, which I'm going to feel, where I'm going to feel I'm comfortable with. Okay, Spandan.
Freedom to choose means we should choose a freedom for us. Means like something freedom we should choose for us.
Okay, freedom to choose for us. Any example if you'd like to share Spandan? Any example such?
Freedom to choose means we just get free for everything. Just freedom for us.
Okay. Mana, I'm back to you now.
Freedom to choose is like you get to choose what you have to do, and
You are free to choose. Can you repeat, dear? I'm unable to hear you properly.
freedom to choose is like you have to choose for yourself.
You'll have to choose for yourself. That's very right. So I am an individual. I am going to choose for myself, isn't it? Arnav, what is freedom to choose? Arnav?
What we are choosing for ourselves.
What we are choosing for ourselves. Okay. Now this freedom to make mistakes goes to Jaslyn. Jaslyn, according to you, what is freedom to make mistakes?
Ma'am, it's very everyone makes mistake anytime, but you should the other people should
You
not.
don't know projects.
You're doing so much mistakes and all this.
In this 1 minute, I'm feeling hot and
Mistakes happen.
Yes. Spandan, can I see you? Okay. Now Spandan wants to share something. Freedom to make mistakes. Super son, Spandan.
We get freedom, so we should not use freedom for anything.
Okay.
We should use only freedom for good things.
Yes, that's really true. Arish, no turning off your video. Okay, Arish, this is the second time I'm reminding you. Arish, are you there? Arish? Okay, let him come back. I think he's gone somewhere. That's really fine, Spandan. Superb answer. Now coming to Mana. Mana, freedom to make mistakes. Arish, no, sit straight. I told you very clearly, sit straight. Take your laptop, no changing your position. Yeah, Manna?
Like we can make mistakes and nobody's telling us not to make mistakes.
Be a little louder, Manna. Take your earphones closer. Yeah.
My freedom to make mistakes is like nobody's telling you not to make mistakes.
Okay, there should be like people keep saying, okay, this is where you made a mistake, this is where you made a mistake. So there'll be people around you saying that you made a mistake, isn't it? Yes or no?
They should not tell you not to make mistakes.
Okay, there should be nobody to say that you shouldn't make mistakes. You can make mistakes. You have the freedom to make mistakes. That's what you're trying to say, Manna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we got it. Arish, I think you're getting distracted here. You change your position from the sofa to the floor, from the floor to somewhere else. So I would prefer that you stick on to one place. Okay, Arish? This is my second reminder to you. Fine? Okay. Now coming to the freedom about doing something, but before that, we're going to go for a short break. Now the time is 2:36. So 2:40 we are back. 2:40 we are back. You can move around, and once you're back, we're going to have some fun. Okay? Quickly move out of your place. Disperse. Yes. Quickly, you can have some water, go to the washroom. Arush wanted to move around, so Arush, leave your laptop alone. Spandan, good. I can see Spandan drinking water. Very good, Spandan, very good. Jaslyn, go drink some water, dear. Go, move out of your place. Very good, very good. Mana is also moving around. Very nice, Mana. Very good, child. Very good. Twarita, unmute your video. Twarita.
But ma'am, I'm going to the washroom.
No problem. Arnav, you have some more time. You have 3 more minutes, Arnav. You can come back after 3 more minutes. Arnav, you can move around. Remove your headphones. Just move around. Warm up yourself. Move around. Yeah. Very good. Twarita, you can move around. Very good, Arnav. I can see you moving around. Very good. Spandan, don't come back. Good, you had some water. Go round. Yes. Very good, very good. You're warming up yourselves. Very nice. Mana, don't come in front of the screen, Mana. Yeah, not now. Just move around. Get up, Mana. Get up. Not in this place. Very good. Okay. Move around. Jaslyn, move around. Jaslyn, you have 2 more minutes to go, dear. You have 2 more minutes, so don't sit in front of the system. Just move around. Get up. 2:40 if you come back, it's fine. Yeah, sure. Please. No, Arnav, no. Arnav, 1 more minute to go. Go. Yeah, you're free to do. Go around.
Yes, ma'am, I've come.
Okay. You can settle down slowly. Yes. Are we all back?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Arish, I can't see you, Arish.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah, dear.
Ma'am, we can do some art, craft work and all.
You have a craft work. I'm going to come to that. Yes, I'm going to come to that. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm back.
Okay, all of you stand up from your place. Even I'm going to stand up. No sitting. Please stand up. Stand up from your places. Look at this video now. Okay, I'm playing something for you. Just follow that song and free dance. You can dance. You can dance.
I'm trying to follow her. It came the chorus.
Jaslyn, dance, Jaslyn. Yes.
Ma'am, it's coming very slow.
Yes, ma'am.
Never mind. Just keep shaking. Just feel free to shake your body. Stretch yourselves like a bird. Bird.
Ma'am, I even can do stretching.
A bird is hopping now. Hop, hop. Okay, the bird is flying fast now. Flutter fast. Flutter. Go around. The bird is going around. Go around. The bird is moving. Yeah. That bird is jumping with a one leg. Hop. Wow, that was really fun. The bird is on its perch now. So was that fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So coming back.
Ma'am, the whole power is lost now.
Oh, no power, no body power. Okay. Do you want to drink some water? So breathe in.
Just 1 minute, I'm just drinking it.
Yeah, breathe in. Close your eyes, breathe in.
Ma'am, are you asking the reason?
Breathe in. Jaslyn, breathe in.
Okay, ma'am.
Breathe. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Breathe out. Breathe in. Twarita, breathe in. Sit straight. Breathe out. Yes. Yeah. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. So I can see pranayama, somebody doing pranayama kind of asanas. Spandan, do you do that? No. So you've seen somewhere. Fine. Okay. Arish, I am unable to see you. Arish, this is the third reminder to Arish. After which I am going to tell Arish to stay quiet throughout the session. Arish, are you there? Okay, let him come back. Fine. We'll move on. We are going to learn some life skills. What are life skills basically? We'll just read one by one. The orange one, can you read it, Jaslyn, for us? The orange, the one, the circled one. Orange. Yeah.
The down one, ma'am.
Down one as well as the one in the middle. Yeah. Jaslyn?
Ma'am, open-mindedness and humility.
Very good. Okay. What is open-mindedness? Open-mindedness, Twarita. Sorry, open-mindedness.
I think mindedness means not thinking only about ourselves, but thinking of others too.
Others too. Okay. It's not only thinking in a very narrow-minded way, but also in a very broader perspective. Very good, Twarita. Can we clap for Twarita? Yeah. Yes. Louder. Louder. I can't hear you all. Oh, very nice. Okay. What is humility? Now that Jaslyn had read it, what is humility?
Should I answer?
Yeah, Jaslyn, what do you mean by humility? Not Marita, Jaslyn.
Ma'am,
Can I tell it or can somebody?
ma'am, can somebody tell?
Who can go for it? Raise your hand. Who can go for it? What is humility? Okay, Twarita had a chance. Okay, anybody else? Mana. Okay, Mana. Yeah. Yeah, Mana.
Being ashamed of something.
Being a shield of something. Okay, that is Mana's answer. Okay, Twarita, you wanted to guess it too. Yeah.
Humility means not being that greedy. Like if someone asks you that, can I do something for you? Should I give you lots of money? You should not be greedy and ask like, give me all the money you have, even more and more.
Yes.
We should ask for how much ever we want. Humility also means not being very greedy and not being not angry, but not frustrating others. So we should be kind a bit. We should be kind and
Polite.
we should not be greedy.
Very good. Okay. Basically, that means that we shouldn't be greedy, isn't it? Okay. Mana, did you get that? Mana and Jaslyn, did you get that? Others? Arnav? Yes? Yes. Okay. We got the meaning of greedy. Okay. I can see Spandan very often yawning. Spandan, do you have enough sleep at home? Yes? Okay. 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 Now I want Spandan to read it. The one in the pink. Pink circle. Quickly. We'll have to be really quick.
There are 3 pink circles, but
Yeah, all the 3, yes. Go for the first one on the top. Self. Yeah, self. What is that self?
I don't know, but what is this thing?
Can I tell?
Just read it. First read it. Then we'll go to the meaning. We are there to share it, isn't it?
Self
Awareness.
awareness.
Very good. The other one to your left. Other one to your left. Starts with the alphabet M.
Motivation.
Good, you tried it. Okay. The third one. Third one, Spandan.
Interculture. Competence.
Competence. Very good. There you got it. Very nice. Very nice. Can we clap for Spandan? Children. Yes. Very good. Okay. So intercultural competence will go from the most difficult one. Okay. I'll give you the meaning. Is there anybody who wants to try it? Twarita? Jaslyn? Okay. Intercultural means. Yeah. Mana. Yes. Mana wants to share. Yeah, Mana, we are unable to hear you. Where's your headphone, Mana? Where are your earphones? Yeah, wear it. You had one, isn't it? Yeah, then you can share it. Otherwise, we are unable to hear you. Twarita, do you want to try that? Intercultural competence?
Don't know. I'll just try.
Okay.
I think like competing not with your age or someone else. You have to compete with yourself.
Okay. Yeah, that is one of the criteria. Now, we have different people from different places. One is from Srinagar, one is from Pune, one is from Bangalore. So, we are going to have that intercultural idea. So, everybody is going to contribute their ideas to the project, isn't it? So, that's intercultural competence. Motivation is quite easy. So, what is motivation, Spandan? Motivation. Arish, I'm unable to see you, dear.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
Can I try motivation?
Yeah, sure. Please.
Ma'am, motivation is when we motivate somebody.
Exactly. So, can we say a simple?
Ma'am, like, can I give an example?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, so if my mother works in a company, if she wants to make people join in her team, so she will motivate people
Okay. Okay.
so that they feel yes, that this is a good company. Why this is good, they will have the answer.
Oh,
That's why they will get motivated.
okay. 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 Spandan. Spandan. Okay. Spandan, are you listening? Yes. Okay. Okay. Arnav wants to share something. Then Mana. Okay. Yeah.
To be inspired from someone and to be like him.
Oh, we get inspired like somebody. Very nice. Very good
Ma'am,
example.
can I also give us some example of inspiration?
Come back to you. You had a chance, right? Mana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You wanted to share something, dear?
Motivation is like telling somebody to do it.
Pardon? Oh, telling somebody to do it. Okay. You can do it. That's how it is, Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
You can do it. Okay. That's how it's an exclamation. You're giving the energy to them. Very good. And Arnav, your example was excellent. Arish, yeah. You wanted to give me an example quickly, but we'll have to be really quick.
Ma'am, for inspiration.
Inspiration. Okay. Being inspirational to others. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very
Yes, ma'am, like
quickly. You'll have to share your example quickly. Can we come back on that? Yes, Arish? Okay. Self-awareness. 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 Who wants to go on first? Who wants to go? Okay, Arish, you had a chance. Can we have somebody else? Jaslyn. Okay, self-awareness.
Should not be selfish.
Should not be selfish. Okay. That's a part of our project. That's very true. Okay. Yamana. What is self-awareness?
Being able to take care of ourselves.
We should be able to take care of ourselves. Very good. You should be punctual. You should be punctual in presenting. You should be contributing. See, today thrice I had to remind Arish, don't turn off your video. Arish, don't turn off your video. So that's not the self-awareness. When the teacher says once, we are going to follow it. Yes or no, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We go for the green one now. Green one. Who's going to read the green one? Can I ask? Okay, Mana, yes, sure.
Global awareness.
Very good. Global awareness, again, more or less, self-awareness is to myself. Global awareness means, see, I'm showing my hand.
To everyone.
Very good. Okay, the one in blue, little darker blue.
Myself,
Yeah.
respectfulness.
Very good. So that's respect when somebody says something. When somebody says
Give
something.
them respect.
ma'am,
Very good. Okay. Yeah, that was royal blue. Now coming to the lighter blue, just above humility, that color. Yeah. Jaslyn, quickly.
General knowledge.
General knowledge. What's the other one?
Global experience.
Very good. What's the other one? Above. The blue one is all on top of everything.
Global responsibility.
Very good. Global responsibility. Spandan, global responsibility. Spandan.
Global responsibility. That we should take care of our responsibility.
Where? See, I'm showing your hands. I'm showing my hands. Global. Responsible.
Yes, of the full world.
Super.
The world should take care of their responsibility.
Very nice. Okay, Jaslyn wanted to share something, then coming to Mana. Yeah.
Ma'am, you should take care of your own things around the world. Like other people also should take care of their own things.
So this project is not only mine, I'm also going to share it along with my friends. So that's global responsibility. Okay, now, Mana, what's your point on that, dear?
What is the difference in global awareness and global responsibility?
We should be very conscious about our
Difference.
yeah, they are friends as well. So we have our friends here. So we have our
Ma'am,
yeah, dear. Yeah.
I'm saying what is the difference between global responsibility and global awareness?
Global responsibility and global awareness. Okay, fine. Okay, now coming to the last one, Mana, can you read that? The last one in the blue shade between global awareness and motivation.
Inclusiveness.
Inquisitiveness. Can we all repeat? Arish, go first. Inquisitiveness.
Inquisitiveness.
Spandan, only Spandan.
Inquisitiveness.
Yes. 3 times.
Inquisitiveness.
Okay. Spandan. Spandan.
Yes.
Inquisitiveness.
Inquisitiveness.
Qui. Inquisitiveness. Qui.
Inquisitiveness.
Super, super. Jaslyn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, repeat. Inquisitiveness.
Inquisitiveness.
Very good. Twarita.
Inquisitiveness.
Very good. Mana.
Yes, ma'am.
Inquisitiveness.
Inquisitiveness.
Arnav.
Inquisitiveness.
So all of you all had a chance to repeat that word, isn't it? So what is
Yes.
inquisitiveness? What is inquisitiveness?
Question.
Special. Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't understand what is the meaning of global responsibility.
Global responsibility, he just shared, no, that I should not be only conscious about myself. I should also be conscious about my friends. I should be conscious about my surroundings. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Something like being alert.
Being alert. It's not only about caring about my own garden. I should also be worried about the trees, plants, people around me. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no, Twarita?
Yes.
Yeah. So global responsibility is not only about yourself, it's about your surrounding people. Socializing. When you're thinking about something, you should not be hurting others. Clear with that now?
Ma'am,
Super. Yeah, Mana.
what is difference in global responsibility and global awareness?
Global awareness is you start knowing about your surroundings and your neighborhood. That is your awareness. You're creating it for yourself. Oh my God, this person is not well and I'm not there to help him. How can I help him? A person is not feeling well in your neighborhood. How is that you can go and help him out? That's your awareness. And you go help him out of your own interest. Okay? Global responsibility is there's somebody who's suffering. Okay, in your neighborhood. Take the same old example. And immediately you go forward to help him. That is your responsibility, which you're taking it on your own. So you know that a person is sick and you're going in helping them out. So aware that you're aware that somebody is sick. Responsible, you're going and helping them. Got it now, Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you are clear with this? The life skills in your project?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another 2 more minutes. We
Yes.
go to a small experience. And as I told,
Charges super low.
pardon? Okay. Okay. Now in your projects, you will have your 3 different subjects and 3 different teachers. You have your English, where I'll be taking it for you. Then you have math. Then you have science. So for mathematics, you will have Mr. Manjunath. So Manjunath sir will be teaching you math. And for science, you will have Manjira ma'am. Okay. So you will have all these 3 subjects in your project.
Only we saw Manjira, ma'am.
Ah, yeah. So you will have a lot of freedom. Just now we knew what are our life skills we are going to do with our project. What are the kind of global awareness we'll have in our project. So I can also share one more example. There was a small boy who wanted to, and Would you like to see this video quickly? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll play it for you. Then you can share what is your idea. Okay? Yeah. So that was about Tilak. So what?
Oh my god, ma'am, it was showing 1,200 deliveries per day.
Yeah. So how did you like that? Okay, Mana. Yes, yes, Mana. Yeah.
I did not understand some words in it.
Okay, I will tell you. Which are the words, dear? Did
I
you?
was not able to read it.
Okay, no problem. So is there anybody who can share the basic idea what did Tilak do? Arish, what
Yes,
do you
I
understand? Next, coming to Jazlyn. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Arish, quickly, quickly, quickly.
I don't have any ideas.
What is learning out of this video? Did you get any learning out of this video? No? Okay,
And
let's.
he was in freedom
It's about.
because
Huh.
nobody lets kids start his own business in the starting of 13 years and just leave his work. He was so freedom that he could do anything.
Super, super, super. 1 minute, man. I'll come back to you. Jazlyn wanted to share next. Yeah. Yeah, Jazlyn.
He was very kind and very helpful.
Super, super. Very nice. See, that's your take home of that video. Okay, that's from Jazlyn's point of view. Mana, yeah, tell me, Mana.
He had global responsibility.
Global responsibility. See, you got it right. Okay. Anybody else? Spandan or Twarita wanted to share something? Arnav?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Arnav, I'll come back to you. Yes. Yeah, Twarita.
He also he was very hardworking first of all, and his willpower was good.
Very good. Very good. Okay,
Like
Arnav.
he convinced all the dabbawalas and then the
Exactly. He has to convince all the dabbawalas to execute some of his wishes, isn't it? Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, Arnav.
do not work for others, to work for yourself.
Do not work for others, to work for yourself. Anybody would like to share on this viewpoint? Do not work for yourself.
Do not work for the others. He wanted to work for himself as well as others.
Ah, he wanted to work for himself as well as others. Got it, Arnav? Yeah? In the next class, I'll play it once again for you. Okay, Arnav? So that you can have the clarity of thoughts. Okay? Mana, you wanted to ask something or you wanted to say something?
I already said it.
You raised your hand. I told you after Jazlyn or Twarita, we can come back to you. Okay, fine. Now,
He had global awareness.
yeah, global awareness again, that we have to help others as well, isn't it? But at the same time, we need to know our limitations. There-
One second.
okay, there was a boy in the north. Okay, I don't want to disclose his name. He had misused his freedom. So listen to me now. So what he did was, His parents had given a car to drive, okay? And immediately he took the car and started driving it. They didn't actually ask him to drive it. They just gave him the freedom that he can go inside the car and just explore the car. But what he did was started driving the car and finally hit a person, and that person collapsed. So can you imagine that your parents are giving you the freedom to just go inside a car and explore? Okay, it's very new. Even I would like to go and see a new car. But that doesn't mean that you can go and drive a car. So that is misutilizing freedom. That was your second example. Yamana. Yamana.
What is collapsed?
Yeah, that person collapsed. Yes.
What is collapse meaning?
Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Spandan, next time onwards, your hair to be much neater, dear. So for the next class, there are few things to be noted by you children. So kindly bring these materials, take out your notebook and your pen. I'll just keep dictating and make a note of it, okay? Quickly, then we'll wind up the session, okay? Yeah. So you would require 2 kg charts, one a lighter shade and one a darker shade. So if it is yellow, the other one is going to be black. That's why I've given you an example there. Okay. Next, you should.
Ma'am, instead of the yellow, you can pick any color, but we should pick black
One
color.
is going to be lighter and the other one is going to be black. So I've given you an example. That's all. Okay. Then
Therefore, kg cardboard.
yeah, the kg cardboard, the bigger one. Yes. The big kg cardboard. The usual one we use for charts and all, chart making in schools. Yes. Arish, please don't turn off your video and your audio. Arish, this is my 4th reminder to you, where I'm really disappointed. Okay. A4 sheets, 20 sheets. A4 sheets, 20 sheets. Scissors. Scissors, you can make
I just took a screenshot of it. Is that okay?
Okay.
By the laptop only.
You can slowly make a note of it. So this is on the 10th. So next we are going to meet on 10th. Mana, yes, Mana, you have a question?
28 and scissors. S-C-I.
Can you say it again?
Yeah, you can see there as well on the screen. 2 kg charts. One, the lighter shade. One, a darker shade. So 2 kg charts. And 20 A4 sheets.
Cellophane.
So you know the cellophane tape? The stick?
Yes, ma'am. The plain tape.
Yeah, the plain, transparent one. Okay.
Scissors.
Fevicol or a fevi stick. So ruler.
And what roller, ma'am?
Art.
Ruler.
Yeah, ruler. Yes, Jaslyn, ruler.
Fevicol.
We have to bring this next class.
Yeah, I've written the date, that is on 10th. Same time.
Next Thursday.
Same time, same day. But the date is alone different.
After, like, ma'am, after.
Okay, pencil. Few Fevicryl colors or sketch pens, paintbrush.
Can I go to the washroom?
Yeah, we are breaking. Yeah. So we are coming to the end of the session. So this was all about your project.
Ma'am,
I'm still writing.
Okay.
I'm still writing.
Okay, okay, dear. Okay. Yeah, please take your time. So Arnav, somebody's taking a screenshot of it.
Ma'am, can I just take a photo of it?
Yes, of course. You can take a photo, children. Make it really easy. The reason why I made you write was you will also be familiar with these words and spellings.
We can take a photo.
Yeah, exactly. You can, but be sure that you know the spellings of these words as well.
I'll just take a screenshot of it.
Okay. Are we done? Arnav, are we done? Arnav?
Should I still write it?
No.
Better no, Jaslyn, for your verification. Are we done, Arnav? Varita, finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna and Arish is again absconding after taking a screenshot.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. So just raise your hands once you're done with that and give me a thumbs up. Raise hand, thumbs up.
Marish, I am there.
Okay. Raise hand, thumbs up. Are you done with that? Super, Twarita. Arnav, super. Mana, Jaslyn, waiting for you. Spandan also. Spandan, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Parish, yeah. Super, super. So all of us are done. A small homework for all of you. There's a girl by name Harryman. Okay, make a note of her name.
What?
Harryman. Her name is Harryman. Okay.
Ma'am, can you just tell spellings?
Yes, ma'am.
E-H-E.
What?
H.
H.
E.
What?
E.
E.
Second under the young entrepreneur.
H.
Ma'am, it's written here, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait. Let him listen. At least he will be there in front of our video then.
H.
R.
R.
Double R.
Double R.
I.
I.
M-A-N.
M-A-N.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're going to find out about this girl. In the next project, we're going to discuss about her. So this is your.
Ma'am, can I repeat the spelling?
Yeah, sure, dear Arish.
And tomorrow you will
H-E.
play the video, ma'am.
We are going to. Yes, I'm going to. The next class, not tomorrow. The next class. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, H-E-R-R-I-M-A-N.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we leave now?
Harryman.
Here. Yes. So see you all. Thank you for joining. That was a wonderful session.
Ma'am, is that Damar Harryman?
Harry-
Australian actor.
Harryman. Okay. She's not an actress. She's not an actress.
Oh, one second.
So experience yourself on freedom. So in Heged's, we guide children, but we don't instruct students. We are there to guide. Clear with that? All the best. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, can I just show her what do we say?
Yeah, man.
The
Yeah, Mana.
slide for that, I'll just copy the YouTube link.
Okay. Yeah, Mana. One second.
Yes. I didn't finish writing the materials.
Materials. Okay, I'll show you. All the others can leave. Thank you for joining. See you all. And
Bye, ma'am.
bye, dear. Bye. See you. Mana, there's your slide there.
You can take a picture of it, Mana.
See, there's others are giving the solution.
Ma'am, if she's on laptop, then she can just press
It's okay.
Windows and then TRTSC. It will become a screenshot.
Arish, wait. When others are feeling comfortable in doing something, we should leave it to them. Isn't it? We spoke about freedom of expression. So Arish, I think you are enjoying playing on your laptop every now and then, but today there were 4 reminders. Next time onwards, I will see to that I don't unmute you at all.
Ma'am, after sketch pen, what is that written?
Fevicryl colors, the small bottles, the colors, the different
The
paint.
tube, ma'am. The tube.
Yeah, the tube. Okay.
So you can put it in a palette and then start.
Yes, you can color it. Yeah, you can.
The toothpaste bottle.
Yes.
Okay.
Either it comes in the tube or in the form of bottles. So anyone you can choose. Okay. Yeah. So thank you. Bye, Jaslyn. Bye, Arish.
Ma'am, can you just show the 27th PDF?
You don't have to take the link. You'll have to search for it. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll just copy the link and then I'll go in the YouTube. That's why.
But search. No easy go. Okay. Search.
Ma'am, when I just search in what do we say? in Google, HERRIMAN. It's showing Harriman Library,
No.
Harriman City in Utah, Harriman High School, Damon Harriman.
Find out. It's about freedom. What is it she's really doing? So head him in and then find out, explore. Okay. So that is freedom about global awareness. Okay. Bye. Bye. See you. It's already late. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, children. Bye. See
Bye,
you.
everyone.
Bye. 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 Yeah.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear. Bye. Bye. See you.